Back to Perk, an easy shot para sa Red.
Kenneth Thompson magaling eh, di ba? He's a smart player, he's a tough player. Bagay pa sa apelido niya, Kenneth Thompson.
2-2 pa rin ang ating score. Bolig sumasayaw, atake, layup. Parang ang dali ng buhay, no? Kay Robert Bolig. Nilusutan yung buong Phoenix team.
Tama, parang
Here comes Bolig heading the other way. Puro pula ang kanyang nakitang Ay! Harang sa kanya, but it doesn't matter. Nag-hesitate pa, sinaisap na yung defense parts eh. Tapos, inatake pa rin.
coming from the three-point area, siguro yung parang dalawang hakbang lang ang kailangan niya, di ba? Pasok talaga mga tira nila eh, di ba? Tyler Tio, R.R. Garcia, nung nasa loob kanina. Ito.
Oh, he gets it to go 8 points for J-Mac as he finishes on the break. And he's more of an open court type player.
Parang baka sabi ko si Mike, I need a rebounder, kaya ako si Makinis.
Look at that kick. And he makes it. Ganda naman ang pasa ni Mike Henry, finding Sembrad, who was open all day. And it's a nice rebound, just wasn't able to put it in. Here's Mike Henry, gets it to go. And Richie Roger was waiting, clapping at the three-point line. Give it to me, give it to me. Mike Henry said, I'll take care of business, boy.
Ako nang bahala. 25 ang kanyang naitatala dito kanyang puntos. Garcia.
The lead is just 12. But Bolig sees an opening, and it's too easy. Robert Bolig's got 11. He's in double digits. Tie the game. Or take the lead.
Just a huge third. Wow. 1-point ball game partner.
Picked up the dribble right away. RR from out there. He reads the defense so well, no? He reads the defense. Yeah. Kita niya, nakatayo din yung Phoenix. Oh, there it is, finally. There it is. J-Mac for the jam.
That's gonna wake them up, Charlie. That's gonna wake them up.
He was able to get that extra buwelo na sinasabi natin. Ganda ng feed. Ayun, oh.